Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2019 Ram 1500 Rebel. Stock number 28649T. What a gorgeous truck. It's diamond black in color. It is a full crew cab. Got the 5.7 Hemi in it, 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, that Rebel, you've got the beefy look. You got a sport hood of sorts on the front of her here. We've got fog lamps, 18-inch painted aluminum wheels. We've got a nice aggressive tire here for an all-terrain. Front parking assist. I believe that's with the level 2 equipment group that we've got in this. So you got the fronted heats, the heated front seats, I should say. Heated steering wheel. And its interior is a black vinyl with red vinyl and a black cloth interior. Rebel right here in the seats on it. It is the console in the middle with the buckets. You got the 8.4 upgraded radio here with the Apple CarPlay and the Google Android Auto. Of course, it is 4x4 heated steering wheel again. Uconnect, hands-free radio, power pedals, power windows, locks, mirrors, brakes, power driver seat, power lumbar. Power rear driver's window. I'm sorry, rear slider in the back there. Then we've got the nice slush mats here with storage underneath the floor. You got some storage underneath these seats that fold up. Spray in factory bed liner. Super light tailgates now. Rear backup camera. You've got black tipped exhaust integrated into the bumper. You get the rear parking assist, tow package. Super nice truck. (2019) 1500 Ram. It's the Rebel full crew 4x4. Black crystal in color. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.